Associate Professor Kevin Flager co-developed G-protein coupled receptor heteromer identification technology, or GPCR-HIT, as an innovative tool enabling discovery of new drugs and new applications for existing drugs or drug combinations. Dimerix Bioscience, a spin-out company from the Western Australian Institute for Medical Research and the University of Western Australia, is commercialising this innovation. The company partners with international pharmaceutical companies in the search for new treatments for cancer, metabolic disorders, cardiovascular disease and inflammation.
GPCRs are proteins in the membranes of our cells throughout our body. They control metabolism to reproduction, stress, blood pressure, immune responses, a range of things. And as a consequence, they're very, very important drug targets.
GPCR-HIT joins light-producing proteins from organisms such as jellyfish with human G-protein coupled receptors to produce bioluminescent GPCRs. Through this modification, interactions between GPCRs can be identified. These are known as GPCR heteromers. The heteromer phenomenon is monitored as it causes the proteins to glow yellow instead of blue when they come together.
So when GPCRs are in isolation, they signal in one manner. But when you put them together in complexes and combinations, they signal differently. So it's very important to understand which of these interact and what changes when they do.
With this technique, the effectiveness of drugs at targeting a particular heteromer can be measured. The technology can reveal whether existing drugs can be used for new treatments that they were not originally designed for, and identify new combinations of drugs or combination therapies that give better clinical outcomes than a single drug. Dimerix Bioscience applies GPCR-HIT with the aim of developing drugs that treat disease more effectively without undesirable side effects.
When GPCRs are measured in isolation, they signal in a certain manner, but when they form heteromers, they may signal differently, and that may be where the side effects come from.
Since almost 50% of all drugs on the market today act through the GPCR family, the application of GPCR-HIT has the potential to make a truly global impact. The company already has its first combination therapies in preclinical studies for prevention of diabetes-associated end-organ kidney failure and is working with global pharmaceutical companies for other applications of the technology.